This is the Schrade SCH-112 full-tang fixed-blade knife. The SCH-112 is a tactical multi-purpose self-defense tool. At just over 8 ounces, the SCH-112 is forged from a solid slab of 8 CR13 Movi high-carbon stainless steel, making it every bit as tough as it looks. The SCH-112 features a 5.5-inch Karambit-style dual-edged blade that is sharp right out of the box. Grasp the TPE handle firmly and utilize the finger ring for a secure grip with your index finger, or with your pinky for a reverse grip. The finger ring locks the fingers into a comfortable position that is safely behind the razor-sharp dual edges of the SCH-112, while also serving as a powerful pummeling tool. The SCH-112 arrives ready for action in its very own thermoplastic belt sheath that supports multiple carrying options while keeping the blade safely and discreetly tucked away until the need for deployment arises. To deploy, simply slide your pinky finger into the finger hole, grasp the handle and pull straight in one swift motion, revealing the intimidating blade of the SCH-112. Carry the SCH-112 on the belt, as a neck knife, or even attach it to a tactical harness. Ready to serve, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCH-112 full-tang fixed-blade knife.